Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unboxing HD Visual Earwax cleaning tool. So it's support only Android and PC. It's not support iOS platform. So we can going to open it. So there is a user manual, and this is the camera, and here are some tools which helps to clean your ears. And now I'm going to show you. So basically this device required an app which name is InScan, and you can scan the QR code also in camera to open it directly, and we can use online through PC while we connect this device to USB. So this is the best thing which they provides. It's a Android and it's a USB, and there is a C type also. So if it requires C type, you can just connect Android and C type chargers. It's working in C type phones, and this is the rotational key which can helps to view the settings and closer to elements while we using this camera. And this is the camera which surrounded by some lights. So now I'm going to connect this device to my phone, and I hope it's working. So firstly I just show you there is the app. Its name is InScan, and it's already downloaded in my phone. So while we open the app, you can see the light is on with this camera, and this is working. You can see the video in this camera, but it's a closer camera, so there's a visibility issue in long distance. You can see my ceiling fan is showing very blurry. So it's a nearby camera. It's working only near elements, so you can see the elements. Like if we go to read the text, it's I hope it's working perfectly. You can see the targets very clearly. So this is the very good device. I'm going to show this how it's work with phone, but there is some accessories, so I will explain also this. So it's a tissue paper, and this is the pin which comes with this rubber valve, and we can fix this camera. We can fix this like this, and we can insert this to our ear if anything you can want to drag out from anywhere. So basically this is for ear waxing, but we can use this device in very other manners. So I hope you enjoy the video. If related any query, you can comment me on comment box. I will surely reply you. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.